Hey guys, today we're going to a good video like Kung Fu Panda. Hi, let's cook. I'm going to cook. Okay, let me cook. I'm going to kill a cat. Do not kill a cat. Oh, can I go up? Let me kill the cat. Good. Who said did? What do you did? I killed the cat. Oh, cat, Rosie, how dare you kill a cat? That's it. You're grounded for 1,000, 5,000, a million, 130, 130. Go to your room now. I'm going to kick you out of this family. You're homeless. Why are you taking me? I'll burn you with my head, part 2.